Sad, but it's true. I'm all you've got for all you know. Don't be missing something. Things will be explained. I'm glad you are here. Let's drink some beer, get drunk from here. Don't keep looking around with all that you've got. Don't try this at all, if you know what I mean. I'm Mr. Roel, but no one at all. I guess I'm only talking. Why don't you keep it alive? Call me your shadow with boots and alligator skin. I live across the street. Howl lures